to insert image at top left corner in Word. If you want to put the image on the top left corner of the Word, so for this you need to double click on the top of your document like this, and you will be enter on the header section. And after that go to the insert and on picture, click on picture and click on this device and select the picture folder where in which your picture lies. So I am selecting the picture. So here you can see the picture is inserted. Now you can make it short to drag it. So now you can see that I am trying to move the picture from left or right, but I am unable to move it. So what you have to do is click on that icon. This is layout option. Click on that and select the option in front of text. So after that you can easily move the picture anywhere on the Word document. So you want to put the picture on the top left corner in the Word. So here you can put the picture. So in this way you can easily insert the picture in Word document. And if you want to move the picture to the right side, you can also move to the right side. So but in this query the picture is to be on the left corner of the Word document. So this is pretty simple and easy. So it's just a matter of few practices, so you will be able to do this task. So I hope this video helpful to you, and if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.